This week on Peak Outdoors, come and join two plebs. As we head to a beautiful location here in the UK known as Three Shires Head. But first, we need to pick up some bits along the way. Let's go! Fucking hell, bro, I'm looking old. You're supposed to say no, not? It's 10. They're pretty cool. What do you think to these, bro?
Nice.
Alright, yeah? I'll get them you as a little thank you for helping me with filming and coming out with me on these adventures and that, yeah? Yeah. Is that man? Sweet, let's get it! Right, if you're getting pink. The only size for me, an extra slim size 0, is... Let's go with grey. Right, we're here, guys, finally. Hope you're all doing really well. Welcome to the channel. We did attempt this video last week, but it went completely wrong. Hopefully, yeah, we'll be a lot better off this week. We came too late last time and it got pitch black real quick, so we had to ditch the video. We came across a family that was looking for their way back to their car, so we helped them out, got them to safety, got ourselves to safety. So I might have a clip from the last trip. I'll roll it now. Yeah. Yes. Keep following this. Yep. And then just keep, as you come to roads, keep going right. Stay to the right. Right. And then, yeah, there's a little car park at the bottom of the road, isn't there? On the verge. Yeah. Just getting out of these fields. Oh no, just keep following this. Yeah, and you'll come to like a Y junction. Okay. Go right. Just keep going right to any path or road, and you end up coming to your car park. Okay. Good luck. Take care. It was at this point we continued to walk for a couple of minutes, and I decided no, we need to go back, assist them get into their car safely, because if anything happened to any of them, I wouldn't have forgiven myself. So that's what we did. They got back safe and sound, and we could film another day. We found a car park close to the Three Shires Head, and yeah, £5 all day till 8 PM. We're gonna get the gear together and head on our way. Got everything? Yeah. Cool. Litter. Nice. So how you been, bro? Good. Good, yeah? Yeah. What have you been up to? Oh. Started college recently, didn't you? Yeah. Couldn't it? Oh, I might have to lose this coat in a minute. Jeez Louise. It's a little bit warm. That's better. So we're going to hopefully... I'm a bit body conscious, you know, because I don't want everyone jumping on me. Honestly, you know, I've got the body of a god. A fat sloppy god. But yeah, hopefully we're going to jump in. Well, not jump in, because it's been a few years since I had a swim. So yeah, I might paddle in. Might have to leave it till late when there's no one around, because yeah, a bit conscious of my body, you know what I'm saying. So, but that's why we're doing what we're doing. Improve it. just a quick one. If you could leave in the comments your opinion on what shots you like most. Obviously I've got my new GoPro, so I'm doing a fair few shots with that because I'm just excited to have it. But do you prefer this where you've got my beautiful face to look at? No, do you prefer this one-to-one kind of vibe, or the action camera first person view kind of? Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Be interesting to know your opinion, and yeah, I'll take it on board. Yeah, so with this adventure, guys, we haven't really planned a route at all on this one, only because it doesn't seem that treacherous. You know, we're not going up mountain tops, we're not going through snow, ice, you know, mad terrain. So we just thought, right, we know the postcode to take us to the closest we can get, which isn't close at all. So we just park up and we just go for it and look for signs or ask people for directions, just play it like that. We got to the car park, asked the attendant there. He goes, yeah, just go out the field and just go up the hill, and at the house at the end, take a left. It's signposted. Yeah, he made it sound like it's around the corner. We've been hiking for a couple of miles now, and yeah, no joy at the moment. No signs. We've been paying attention to any signposts at houses and nothing yet, so we'll keep you posted. Yeah, I've got the old swimming shorts on under the tracksuit bottoms, so yeah, a bit like Baywatch. As soon as I see that water, you know, top off, trousers off. Don't get too excited. Woo! Welcome to Pegging. Oh, I know a few people that wouldn't mind popping in there. Good old Pegging.
You alright?
You alright? This hill's never ending, isn't it? We've come from back there in the distance. Okay, so we managed to get phone signal, and I thought, you know what, just for my own peace of mind, I'm going to go against my own rule for today and just, you know, check the old Google Maps. I'm glad I did, because we were heading that away and we'd actually gone past it not too long ago, so we got to go back to a previous bend and then fork off. That's where the car is down there. So we came out from there, around where you can't see the bottom of the hill, along there, along the main road there, along the road there, up that hill there. We went past that peak there, down over the other side. We're like, oh no, I'll best check. And all the way back we came, and on we go. Bear with us, guys, we're getting there. Once we've got 30 minutes left to the location, we're going to stop, get under cover from the wind, and just do a hot drink each, because we haven't had many calories today for energy. So yeah, let's go. There's Ryan. Here he comes. Quick little note, Ryan has started his own channel up. Let's go. If you wouldn't mind giving him a subscribe, we'd be very grateful. And he said for every subscribe, he will...
I'll post a photo of my only nans.
Only nans. Down here looks like a perfect spot. Table for two. Beautiful. It's go horribly wrong. Okay. Enough? Yeah, that's enough, isn't it? Ah. One for luck. Oh, I love the outdoors, guys. I'll tell you what, these burners are awesome. You must get one if you like being out and about on your day trips and whatever. We've opted for a tomato soup now, haven't we? So I'm having a tomato soup. Not a bad guesstimate, eh? Oh, to be fair, that was really nice. Oh yes. We're going down. Yep. Sometimes you have to go down to reach the top again, you know. Isn't sketchy at all, is it? Boing, boing, boing. That's the one, go backwards. This looks, yeah, watch this log, it's slippy, bro. Yeah. We're heading the right way. I was just saying to Ryan, we should have just waited a couple of minutes for those hot drinks. Yeah, I just finished mine and we found this little spot. But yeah, we're just going to sit and chill for 10 minutes. You know, with all the driving, the rushing around, the filming, you know, getting all the gear ready and all the hiking, you tend to just forget sometimes to stop, take a minute, take it in. So, like I say, we're just going to sit and chill for 10 minutes. And just reflect upon our efforts. And this is not the Three Shires Heads, by the way. Just letting you know, this is just, we're 10 minutes away. Stay with us, we're very close. This is just a nice little spot we found along the way. Like I say, we're just going to stop, take 10 minutes, soak it up. Oh, I had to turn the camera on. Oh, for the content all the way. He's that tall, 2 fucking steps and he'll be over the other side. Oh, that's it, assess the situation. You know, life's, you know, a bunch of stepping stones. Sometimes you just got to take a leap, bro. Sometimes you just got to go for it, you know. There's his trainers. He's loving them. Doing really well. Waterproof as well, which is ideal. Don't know about the rest of his clothes. Go on, kid. Go on. Is it? Test it. If I cut it now, he didn't fall in, sadly. You know, just a normal day. Oh, hello. You fell in yet? Right here, guys, you watch. This is how nice outdoors people are. Outdoorsies, I call them. That's it, outdoor. All right, my outdoorsies. Yeah, you watch. Guarantee it. I won't say a word. They'll say hello. Watch this. Watch this. You're right. You're right. See, you gotta love it. Oh, someone's had a good time. We'll pick that up and take it away. Oh, we're getting close. There's us. And there's the Three Shires Head. We probably took the hard route there, but never mind. We like a challenge. Easy, Tiger. Cheers. Oh, this is a bit challenging, isn't it? Nice. Trip hazards. You don't see that every day. Get them on camera. That's sick, isn't it? There's one of them. And there's one up there as well. Right guys, we're here. The Three Shires Head, not the Three Shire Heads. You know what I mean? Here we are. Beautiful little spot. I'll tell you what, it's places like this that just make it all worthwhile. Oh my god, what a spot. What a spot. Come on. We're gonna have to get in a minute while there's no one around. Oh, look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. There we go, Ryan's just been so kind to jump up there and do a couple of clips for me. We'll post a couple of them on the Instagram as well. But yeah, I've held off getting in because a few people have turned up. So, bro, do you want to test the temperature of the water?
Temperature tester?
Yeah, you have to use your elbow.
My elbow?
Yeah, it's the most sensitive part of your body, you have to use your elbow. Be honest.
That's not that bad.
Not that bad.
Generally.
You say that now.
Generally, it's not that bad.
I'll let you get in first then. No, I'm getting in. Got to at this point, it'll just delete the footage now. Oh, I want to go on that waterfall with my hair like, you know, a L'Oreal advert, like, you know, all slow-mo. Yeah, you got the hair for it. Hey guys, this is Future Paulie C here, just editing the video, and I thought I'd best put a bit of context to the next bit of footage. The first section of filming that we'd done with the GoPro, we couldn't put in because of the fact that literally, you couldn't write it. As soon as I'd taken my top off, my trousers off, I was down to my shorts. A group of about 6-7 ladies decided to come in, which is absolutely fine. As you can imagine, for privacy, I didn't film at that point, so as soon as they left, I got the GoPro on the go, which led to what you're about to see. Enjoy. Cue the music.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving.
Oh, I think I've got frostbite stuff in dick. Oh, yeah.
What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate.
Honestly, once you're in, it's not so bad. Yo, bro, there's a little seat. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on, kid.
Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, put it in my face? You're only young one, yeah, let's start great. But I also wanna
That
be where
didn't
I'm
move much, huh?
okay. Living life is doing that's a cocaine. Wake up, living with no shame. Wake wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, I can show you what you want. Live your life, every day, late at night.
Mind over matter, come on.
On that cold, it's starting to feel warm.
What an experience. Oh, this is awesome.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray. All I need are some better days. Yeah. All I
Shall we go
need
for a
are some
breaststroke?
better days. And I pray, I believe in the better days.
I love my breast. Yeah, the flowing water creates heat. Come on, fam. It jumps up a little bit. Oh my god, it goes even lower. I'm tiptoeing. Yeah, you're tiptoeing. Make sure, I just found out I had an air pocket against my left nut, like an air pocket, and it was just holding cold. You just adapt. Very tranquil moment with Paulie C, and then we pan across to Ryan. We've got an audience. Oh, put me back in. Bro, I'm not happy with that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a day. Oh, hey, I tell you, he's getting there, he's getting there. We just need you up to your neck. That's when it gets easier. What's my hair doing? I'll tell you what, it's that cold, it hurts when I rub myself with the towel. Ow. Two happy customers. That was beautiful. We're going to start hiking back now. It's been absolutely beautiful. Right guys, we're going to end it there sadly. We have really enjoyed today. It's been awesome, isn't it? Yeah, it's definitely a place we'll come back to in the future. I'd love to bring my partner here, she'd love it. Not so sure in this temperature though, it's a little bit too cold for her. Anyway, we will look forward to seeing you in the next one guys, and don't forget, take a peek outdoors, alright? Stay sweet, stay safe, see you in the next one, bye bye.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
timing.